Hello everyone. So in my today's video, we will talk about how to call specific superclass. So two ways are there. One of the way is you write name of the class. I'm writing over here name of the class. Okay, dot whatever is your method name, and by default there will be one parameter which is self. That is one way. And second way is you can write a super, then in the parameter name of the class, comma self, and then dot and method name. Okay, so we will check first of all, first one in this program, class A, base class. Everywhere m1 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 same method is there. Okay, so inside the class A we have defined m1 and we are printing one message. B, it is derived from A, same thing. C, derived from B, same thing. D, we will write only right now C. D, derived from C, again only m1. E, derived from D, again only m1. We are creating using the last derived class with E, object as E, and E dot m1. So it will jump to this part first. Inside this, what we have used first method, name of class A, dot dot m1, that is the method name, and bracket parameter self set. So it will jump to class A, define m1, and it will print m1 from A class. Let's check the output of this. See, we are getting, suppose instead of name of class, if you are interested in using super, then what you can do is you can write super, okay, bracket name of class. Here it is very important, name of class. If I write D, it will not jump to D of m1. No, D is derived from which base class? C. So actually it will jump to C class and m1, and it will print m1 method from C class, because super always jump to base class, parent class. So super D, comma self and dot m1. But now obviously here we do not require self, it is already over here. Control S. See, it is printing class C, not class D. No, if you want I can change also. Suppose if I write super and B, what do you think? It will jump to B m1 or A m1? It will jump to A m1. Control S. Suppose if I have a class D, it is a C comma B, and I am writing super and I am writing D. So what do you think now? It will jump to D m1, C m1 or B m1? It will jump to C m1 because of this ordering. Okay, so this is how you can use super class to call the specific base class or specific parent class or specific super class. This is how you can use. In my next video we will start with the polymorphism concept, that is all about a method overloading, constructor overloading, or you can say that method overriding, constructor overriding, etc. Thank you everyone.